A little while back, JetBoatPilot released a SeaDoo switch rear gate kit that allows you to convert these rear sections of railing into a functional gate. And many of you guys requested that there be some sort of latch mechanism that prevents it from coming up unless you intend for it to do. So we listened to you. We're proud to announce today that that latch has been created. Now available at JetBoatPilot.com. We're calling this the Switch Rear Gate Latch. Really simple product. I'm going to show you how to put it on, how to use it. For those of you not familiar with the Switch Rear Gate Kit, basically it's a set of brackets that we attach to this rear post. Basically takes the factory bolts out and gives you a place to secure your rear gate in. But for those that want to add this new part, I'm going to show you real quick here how to do this. If you have already installed your Switch Rear Gate Kit, you'll need to back this bolt out here about 50% of the way. Get yourself some sort of flathead screwdriver or paint scraper or something and pull out this part here. That part's not going to be reused. We'll then take the new latch. It's simply going to be inserted into this hole. And then with your rubber mallet or maybe a 2x4 and a hammer, just drive it down in place. It's a press fit. Once that's all said and done, make sure you apply some blue Loctite to this bolt here before you reattach. And get that at your local hardware store. Make sure that's fully tightened down. And now you have a functional latch. Once we drop the gate kit in place, now it's latched. Will not come up until you release the latch. It fits both sides, so they're universal fit. Doesn't really matter which way you orient. It can be flipped 180, so they fit both the same way. Well, that's the SeaDoo Switch Rear Gate Latch. If you've got questions about this product, feel free to comment below. We're glad to answer those questions for you. Also, we're going to put a link to a video showing how to install the SeaDoo Switch Rear Gate Kit for you, so you can check that out as well. We appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day.